Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tabitha Yount, the owner of Elegant Living, and this is
Lexi.
I hope you guys are staying warm. It is super cold. I went to take out the trash, and we're about ready to go out because we have to do some shopping and some picking up some
Customer stuff.
Yes, some customer
Yes.
stuff. So we are so excited that you're here, but stay warm. It is so cold.
It is
so
so
cold.
bitterly cold outside. It's like so cold that you're like
It's like shocking, honestly.
like schools were canceled today. So cold, but we have to go shopping like always.
This is our life. This is just what we do, right, Lexi?
Yes,
Yes.
It is exactly what we do all the time.
Okay, so we wanted to say hello, and we have some big announcements.
Yes. So please make sure to share, like, and comment for your guys' chance to win at the end of the month.
Yes.
Because we are paying attention, we are watching, and we
Mhm.
appreciate everything that you guys do for us.
And what's that mean? Everybody's going to be like, what? Okay, so when you share, like, or comment, you get a chance to win a free gift from us.
Yes, at the end of the month.
Yes.
Every single month we do this.
We were doing $50 gift cards, but we may go back to that one month. We're not sure, but we think this month you're going to
Yes.
get a free scent box.
Yes,
Yay.
which is so exciting. This January box is so nice. It
is.
smells so good.
So good.
It's so relaxing.
Yes.
I feel like I like it because when you walk into a room, you're like, it just feels nice.
I just want to point out that I feel like I'm taller than Lexi today.
She's wearing shoes and I'm not.
Yes, and of course Jason's trying to get a hold of us, but sorry,
That's fine.
Jason. We'll talk
Yes.
to you later. Okay, so our big announcement.
Okay, we're having a Decorating 101 workshop. Oh my
Yes.
gosh, I'm so
Yes.
excited.
We're so excited to have that.
Mhm.
We have heard so many different requests about like how to decorate and what are the rules of it. Well, there's really no rules. I really
It's
don't
kind
want
of like guidelines you kind of go by.
guidelines. I like
Mhm.
that better. I like that better because there's really just no rules. But if you are struggling with how high to hang your pictures, where to get
Mhm.
drapery, and how far to what am I trying to say?
How high you hang it.
Yes,
is
thank
what
you.
she's trying to say.
Yeah, how high
Or,
to
like,
hang it.
How big your rug needs to be. That's also important. So
Those are the kind of things that we're going to be talking about in our Decorating 101 workshop.
yes,
Yay.
so I'm so excited.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
So follow along. Make sure you share, like, and comment for that too as well, because we'll have lots of giveaways next month doing that. So we wanted to announce that.
Yes.
That's our big announcement.
Yes,
Yes.
so make sure you guys stay tuned. It is February 11th through the 12th and the 13th. So
Mhm.
11, 12,
Mhm.
13, 10 a.m. right here on the main page. You guys can come join us and see all of the fun, the new workshops. So we're so
Yes.
excited.
Lots of fun stuff.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, we also want to talk about our scent box.
Our scent box.
We are almost sold out. So if you want this January theme, make sure you guys get in there and you guys get it because it's about
It's
sold
about
out.
ready to sell out. So
Yes.
we're going to keep one to give away. But for the person that gets in there, congratulations.
Yes. So we have a snowflake, we have candles, wax melts, fragrance oils. It is all a mystery every single month. So you get a little gift to yourself in the mail.
Which
so
is
make sure
fabulous.
you guys get in there and get those fast before they're all sold out because we will not be restocking the January one. So once
No.
it's gone, it's gone.
It's gone. It's done.
Yes.
It's done. And it is amazing. I love trap
It's so
candles
great.
and trap smells. They are amazing. And that's
Mhm.
what's in this box. So,
Yes.
And let us know if you guys have received your box.
Yeah, I want to know that. Do
yeah.
you guys have your box yet?
Yeah. Have you guys gotten it? So let us know below if you guys have gotten the box
Mhm.
and all the things. So, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Make
All
sure
right.
you guys share, like, and comment and mark your calendars and go get your scent box.
Yeah. Okay.
Talk to you
Bye.
soon. Bye.